Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lancer character. First, you'll want to grasp the fundamental rules, including how grit and license levels impact your pilot and match. Next, decide on your pilot's background, which provides unique skills and talents. Then, select your initial match frame, considering its base statistics and available mounts. This foundational setup is crucial for your character's journey. Now, let's dive deeper into your pilot and match. Allocate your skill points across various categories to define your pilot's strengths, like hull or agility. Then, pick a match from the diverse range of manufacturers, each offering distinct playstyles. Pay close attention to your chosen match's core statistics, such as its size, speed, and defensive capabilities, as these will heavily influence combat. Customizing your match's loadout is where your character truly comes alive. Equip a variety of weapons and systems onto your match's available mounts, ensuring they synergize well. Choose talents that enhance your pilot's skills or your match's combat effectiveness. Remember to balance your heat capacity and energy resources, as these are vital for sustained operations in the field. With your character built, it's time for final checks and gameplay. Thoroughly review your character sheet to ensure all details are accurate and complete. Familiarize yourself with the core combat rules and understand your mission objectives before deployment. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Get ready to pilot your match into thrilling adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.